Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cyril. I'm from India and currently I'm a student here in Vaasa, Finland. So I'm currently studying in Vamia, and Vamia is a vocational program school. So as a vocational program student, you have to go for practices. So practices are like an unpaid internship that you go for, you gain experience from it. So currently, this semester is our first practice semester. So for this one, we have normal buffet service. I will be going to Venn for the next 9 weeks, and that is where I will do my practice. So at Venn's, I will be starting at around 7 o'clock. That's when they have the breakfast, and after breakfast is over, we will prepare for lunch, and then around 2 o'clock is when I finish. So that will be my shifts for the next 9 weeks, and it's about 5 days a week. And at the end of my practice, I will get an evaluation done. So I have to make sure that I do everything properly. There are a list of things that I need to make sure that I'm doing. I need to learn as much as possible over there and gain experience. But if you manage to get a job somewhere where you're already doing buffet service or lunch service, then in that case, you don't have to work and do this practice. You can skip to the next one, which is, I think, a la carte. But for me, I haven't gained any experience in lunch or breakfast service, so I have to do this practice. So that is where I'm going now. And we have three more practices after this, which is, I think, after one semester, but that is in the future. If I manage to get a job where I am doing a la carte practice, so then I don't have to go for that. And that's in the future. For now, I have to go for my Venn's practice, and I will continue the video once I'm there. with that, I just finished my shift for today, and I can have tomorrow until Saturday. I'm doing Tuesday till Saturdays because Mondays are not that busy, so they don't want me to come on Mondays. And it's for the next 9 weeks. So, but the only problem is it's getting cold, so in the morning it's difficult to come. But it is what it is. I have to come and finish the practice, and it's going to help me in the future to get jobs because I can put that I have worked here and gained experience here. So hopefully you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.